Oh, wait, what is that? Oh my God! How's it going, guys? Today is a beautiful day out. As you can see, it is in fact snowing outside, which this year we haven't seen much of in Illinois, which is kind of strange because our state is known for the cold. Yesterday, had a fishing tournament. It was interesting. It was on a really nice lake with lots of pike. I got the second biggest pike, coming in at 29 inches. Show a picture right here. That was pretty nice, and there was probably around 70 people there. It was quite a big tournament. Anyways, today we have some suckers that we're gonna try to see if we can put out on some tip-ups. Maybe catch some perch, crappie, bluegill, bass, pike, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you there. That was a lot more difficult than it needed to be. Put in creek chub down there. Some people come through the mouths. I typically just hit them through the back. There he goes. Oh yeah, finally. Oh yeah. My rod. Get the camera. Bro. Dude, get the camera. I need the pike. Oh, he's stuck on the ice. Okay.
Ah, you're lucky. I wanted to fight a pike on my.
Dude.
If it pops off, I'm gonna. If you break off, I'm gonna be pissed at you.
It's open. I'll give you a new one then. Oh, what is it? I think it might be a bass.
I think that's a bass. I saw the green top.
Wait, can you see it in the frame?
It's off.
You're joking.
No.
Oh. Yeah!
Oh, that's a nice bass.
Let's go!
No, I'm just more annoyed that you caught it on my rod than anything. That's like a 2-pounder maybe.
Solid. Guys, look at this fish. On Kyle's rod, I was using a, what is this called?
It's a lipless.
Lipless.
Just
Okay. Put this guy back in the water. Go back, bud. There he goes. I might as well check. Oh yeah, something. No, I don't think.
check this one first. Look at that one. That one's spinning too.
This one?
Yeah, that one just spun.
Yeah, it's probably just a bass. Okay, something's on this.
Fish.
No, it's just a bass. It's always just a bass.
Long dong pike.
Let me check. Oh,
You
hold on. You got it. Oh,
It's a pike.
not sure what it is, but it's pulling kind of hard actually.
Big bass or pike? It's
Bass.
It's an okay bass.
Let's go.
On a dead. They seem to like the dead
Dead
stuff
minnow.
more.
It's good. Small little guy. On the little minnow. Okay, I'll check it. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh wait, no it's not. It's a bluegill. I don't know why I thought that was a crappie. Not too big, but he's a start. Go back, bud.
You doing?
Catching fish.
Are you though?
Yes. Hey guys, so right now I'm in the middle of editing my video, and I just want to take a quick break to explain kind of what happened. So, first of all, I just lost a bunch of footage, which is really unfortunate. I made a bunch of files into low resolution files that can only be played in Windows Media Player, which was just stupid of me. So this is a few days of footage combined. We went to a small pond, and then we went to a lake. I just want to take a quick second to say, the bait later that we were using were these massive suckers on these rigs with trebles and split shots. We were fishing about 20 feet of water, and that's how I managed to get some fish later. Okay, we got our first flag up. Let it run, let it run. Ooh! What is it?
I don't know. It got bigger, it got way bigger.
I don't know the fish can pull it up. You there? Oh, let's go. Yeah, yeah! Woo! First fish of the day. I'm back. You got another flag up? You got him? Oh god, my camera's falling.
Oh, so small. It's
so small.
It could be. It could be. Yeah, it's 14.
Ah! He's so squirmy. I'm bleeding. Okay, guys. We have a fish running on the tip up. It'd be funny if it was gone now.
No, I doubt it.
Oh, okay. This is running fast. There is something there.
And you're gonna get spooked.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh my god.
You're gonna get spooked.
Oh, he's running towards me, I believe. Dude. Oh, he's right. Oh god. What is that? No, I didn't really see it. Come on, bud. Wait. How big is it?
Still have a lot of line to get.
No, I'm close. I'm about to leave. Oh god, this thing's running fast.
Well, whatever it is, it does not want to.
Dude, oh my god. Stop hitting that.
How close you were to getting spooked?
Nah.
Yeah, I can see the bracing where it connects to
Dude.
the disc.
This thing's, I think it might be big.
Probably.
Feels like it's pulling hard.
It seems like it fought harder than your PP.
It is.
38 incher.
Let's not give it slack, because I don't want to.
I mean, whatever it is, you probably have it.
Okay, it's right here. Oh, big pike.
Oh,
Oh, yeah! Okay, you want to get a picture real fast?
and it's off.
No, it's not.
Well, I can't.
Woo! Go back, bud. Go back. In the water. There you go. Woo! Film it, film it. That's not the minnow, Kyle. It's pulling. Dude, this is a nice fish. Get ready. This is big. Whatever it is.
Oh, wait, what is that?
Oh my god. Jesus. This is on a massive sucker.
Oh, it's a sucker? This is actually my fish, guys.
Oh!
Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Holy! Oh, jeez!
Goody bastard.
Okay.
Yeah, how did your daddy come here?
Oh, it's not.
Jack.
Yeah, I got it.
Look at this.
Massive troubles that'll like
How
break
big
off
is
my
that?
hand.
I got
It's not-
promoted to cameraman.
It's like 28.
Wait, what you get it on the shiner?
No, this is on the massive sucker.
No way! That was on the big sucker?
Yeah.
Yo! Oh,
Okay.
so-
Right there.
Yeah. Oh, dude, am I in the video?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yo.
Can I be in the video?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Oh, nicely.
No way.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there.
Yeah. Just get him in.
I'm gonna grab
Get
it
him in the water.
by
I
this side.
JP Dinks. Follow or no, subscribe and leave a comment.
You got a picture?
You guys get pictures.
We're at Gage's Lake too.
Yeah,
No, you
Gage's
said
Lake.
Harvey Lake. Wait. Okay,
Wow.
33 inches.
Oh.
Okay, let's put him up in the water.
You guys got good pictures?
Yeah.
Go back.
Oh my god, you lucky. You lucky.
That was awesome.
So lucky. What pike? Shish kebab?